Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. I'm here with Mark.
G'day, Jace.
We've got another great one. Latest update on what is the biggest possible consent-free shed you can build. It's this one, and it's looking fantastic. Now, we've just walked out of these beautiful doors, so possibly the lighting's going on this plywood, but what's been happening on the shed lately, Mark?
Well, we've had a few different things going on. Me and Jack have gone into Three Brothers ITM and Sunshine Ave, saw Trent there and he's gotten us some awesome plywood for the walls, so we're going to see that. We'll go back in time and see us doing that. Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're here at Three Brothers Discount Building Supplies, and this is the company that we've had all our plywood off for our showroom, our bar build, and now we're lining the plywood, the pole shed and plywood. So the awesome thing with Three Brothers Discount Building Supplies is that they sell the same price to everybody. So you come in, they've got all their prices on everything, and it's all the saying what the price is, including GST. So really easy if you're not in the trade to come in and get trade prices, but just straight pay it and get it. So we've grabbed ourselves 25 sheets of this beautiful plywood. We're going to put on the walls. The helpful team here loaded it up with us, and as you can see behind us and in the rest of the footage, they have heaps of plywood, but they also have pink bats, they have fencing material, they have building timber, they have clear light sheets. They just have heaps of different stuff, so definitely worth popping in and seeing the helpful team here in Hamilton if you've got a shed that you need to line. Cheers. Also, we've had Pete and Reese, the pole shed builders, here, and they've framed it out and lined all the walls. Here we are. They're both maybe a little bit camera shy, but they're doing a fantastic job. So what you can see here is we've used ceiling battens, and they are lining the wall in these at 600 centres so that the plywood can all go on and get screwed off. Going through and nail gunning on the nogs in between so that this is going to be able to all be plied with jib. Would have the other option been we could have used thicker timber and run them through, or is this the best way to do it?
Depends on your span between your poles.
So
if this was 8x2, bigger span, would have just bounced right across.
Right, and do you often do that, or is this the way you'd normally always do it for lining a shed?
This is the best way, I feel.
Instead of going through and cutting all your nogs and putting lots of nogs in, this way is actually much faster to do it, and you're going to get a straighter, more beautiful finish on it all at the end of the day.
Yeah.
How long have you been building sheds for?
23 years.
23 years? Just a spring chicken at it, eh?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So, you've built all sorts of pole sheds obviously over the years.
Yeah, a lot of variety.
So, obviously, Pete and Reese, great team to have on board with us building pole sheds. They know all the tips and tricks. They're really helping actually lead us to learn a lot of this as we go through and build this show shed, which is fantastic, having that experience on board so that we know we can sell and produce the best product.
Yep.
So obviously, guys, just going to go through, finish nogging this all up today, and then
just straight run of plywood.
Boom. Yeah, and that's it. So just a straight run of plywood, no seams. It's just going to look really nice and really well done. So the next instalment, we'll have a bit of ply on the wall and be able to show that off.
Maybe Monday.
These guys. Today's Friday. It's actually Thursday. Pete and Reese don't work Friday. It's a dream of mine, the 4-day week as well. It's actually more productive. So fantastic. Cheers, mate.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mark.
Today we've had the sparkies in, starting to finish off wiring it all off. So shall we pop inside and check that out?
Yeah, let's have it. Speaking of sparkies though, shout out to our man Boston Old.
I love pole sheds.
He's travelled up north to Kaitaia to be with his girlfriend. So we miss you already, Boston, and I hope you're having a good time. But let's come inside and see what's happening. Awesome. So we're inside here, and one of the things is you're always welcome to come into Waikato Sheds Monday to Friday, 8 till 4:30ish. You'll find someone around to show you in. But we want to show you what's available with the sheds in that here. So the finished product we've got here, We thought we're not going to bother painting it. These joinery liners, that's how they come. So it's pre-painted. Pete and Reese, what do you think of this finishing work here, Mark?
Yeah, they've done a great job. They've just cut these little architraves and fitted those all around the windows. All this plywood that we've got, 2.7 high, 1200 wide, we've fitted all of that to the walls, and when we first framed it out, we framed it out to suit that. So now they've done a really good job, really efficient to do all of this, and then we've chucked a couple of coats of varnish on there, and then as we can see here, the electrical crew have been in and fitted up all the power points. Two of the doors are all done, and they've ordered all our lights and all those goodies, so we'll be getting that all fitted up next time they're in.
Yeah, that's what's awesome. So you can build a shed like this, consent-free, to this quality. Sparkies, they write their own codes of compliance, so everything's here. So you can certainly have something like this for yourself. We're looking to put a stables in there. We're working with good guys, Phil and Jake from New Zealand Equine Solutions, to show what can be done with that. But fundamentally, as we like to say, you can do anything in a shed. It's Friday, it's sunny, so what do you feel like doing in a shed, Mark?
Oh, cracking open a beer, getting the Weber barbecue cranked up, and cooking a feed for the family and having a few cold ones.
That sounds pretty exciting. So how about we go make that happen and leave you with our catchphrase, because you know it.
Great sheds done right. Maybe a little bit camera shy, but they're doing fantastic jobs.